If you've ever felt like you know what you should be doing, but you can't seem to follow through, or like you're constantly starting over, feeling overwhelmed or stuck in the same patterns, you're not alone. I'm Rachel Wilensky, creator of the Reset Method and founder of Be Here Now Wellness Center. The Reset Method is a self-paced 20-week structured program designed to help you build real, lasting change by focusing on the foundations that actually matter: emotional regulation, awareness, and supportive structure. Each week, you'll move through a simple, guided process with lessons, practices, and reflection. So you're not just learning, you're applying it in your real life. This isn't about pushing harder or trying to fix yourself. It's about learning how to work with your mind and body, so change becomes something you can actually sustain. This work is something I've developed through years of teaching, coaching, and my own experience with emotional regulation and mental health. And if you're ready for a different approach, one that feels more supported, more grounded, and actually doable, you can begin whenever you're ready. Can't wait to see you on the inside.